Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you a full tutorial how to adjust the side of the dress. For example, on the customer who was a little too large, so we want to adjust and taking in this part. So we're gonna open the band and then we're gonna take it in. After we pinned on a customer, we are ready to mark with a removable pen right here, so we know how much exactly we need to take it in. Since the waistband is sewed together with the lining, we can go between the lining, so we will have to open this seam right here first with a seam ripper. If you have experience with razor blade, you're welcome to use the razor blade as well. After we open the seam, we are ready to take it in and match the edge first. And then we're gonna just smoothly pin all the line together. Make sure to match with the sewing line with the drawing line. After pinning, we are ready to sew first stitch here. We can cut the extra, but I usually leave it if it's not a lot, just in case if the customer wanted to sell the dress and she can let it out back. Now we're just gonna pin the lining, and I will take the needle and thread, and then we're just gonna hand stitch it very carefully. All done. Hopefully this tutorial helped you, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.